Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by powering up and preparing the app. Plug the included USB cable in and charge Furby for 1-2 hours. This ensures full initialization. Once charging, install the Furby Connect World app on a compatible phone or tablet. Make sure to enable Bluetooth and location permissions because the toy uses BLE pairing. Now, power Furby on. You should see eyes light up and sounds. Once done, keep the app open and stay near Furby so pairing starts immediately. You'll connect and customize Furby now. Open the app, tap Add Furby and follow the on-screen pairing prompts. You'll confirm a Bluetooth request and wait for animation. After pairing, name your Furby and choose personality traits. This changes voice and behavior. The app may prompt a firmware update. Agree to it and keep Furby within 3-5 meters of your device to avoid interruptions. Once updated, interact in the app to teach phrases and unlock content. This shapes how Furby responds over time. You'll finish by learning daily use, care, and one key fix. Interact via touch, voice, and app activities to unlock new behaviors. Keep Furby dry and out of extreme heat. If the unit won't hold a charge, try replacing batteries or stop using USB while playing to avoid noise interference. If Furby becomes unresponsive, restart both Furby and your device, then reopen the app. If that fails, perform a factory repair/reset. This often clears pairing conflicts and restores normal behavior.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.